Hi, I'm John Moran. Welcome to Blue Wave's College of Marketing Knowledge, where we go anywhere to get the inside story on the hottest media and marketing trends, and we show our viewers something new. Today we're at High Output in Canton, Massachusetts. High Output is New England's largest provider of entertainment and broadcast equipment and services. Hi, John Moran from Blue Wave's College of Marketing Knowledge.
Good morning and welcome to High Output.
Hi, I'm with John Cini from High Output in Canton, Massachusetts. John, thanks for having us in today.
Good morning and thank you for being here.
So can you tell me what it is that you do?
High Output is New England's largest supplier of lighting, audio, and video equipment for the entertainment and broadcast industries.
Great. When did you start in business?
My partner Jim Hirsch and I started the company in 1986. We literally started in his garage. High Output started providing equipment for commercial production companies. Okay. However, we quickly expanded our base to include feature film producers and broadcast producers. Shortly after that, we added a division providing equipment for the entertainment and special events industries.
So what kind of services do you provide here at High Output?
High Output provides support services and equipment rentals to producers of broadcast television, feature films, independent dramas, as well as theatrical and special event projects.
Do you do commercial work for corporations as well?
We do, actually. Many of our clients are large corporations such as Hasbro, Haemonetics, Progress Software.
Okay. And as you know, we've done work with you here before as well, producing some of our corporate videos.
And Blue Wave, absolutely.
So what do you love? Tell me why you love the business.
Well, what I like about this business is that we have a new challenge every day. Nothing in this industry stays static. Everything is always changing. So it keeps us on our toes, and I enjoy all of the challenges.
So tell me, what interested you in the business originally?
Well, I got into the business because I was a theatrical lighting designer, although I quickly found that I enjoyed the business aspects of running a rental operation. We've now grown considerably, and we have over 65 employees in 4 states.
Wow, so you're everywhere in New England.
We've grown beyond simply being in New England. In fact, we've expanded as far as South Carolina, where we service the Lifetime television show Army Wives.
What makes your company special?
I think what makes High Output special is our emphasis on people. Anybody can go out and buy equipment, whether it be lighting equipment or sound equipment or AV equipment. What we've done here at High Output is gather together a team of people who are completely focused on caring for customers. They're excited about what they do, and they want to bring to our customers the very best experience possible.
Why do your clients choose you?
Our clients choose us for a couple of reasons. Number one, they like the depth and breadth of inventory that we provide. But more important than that, they really love the people that they work with here at High Output. We provide customer service that is above anyone's expectations.
Can you tell me some of your memorable projects here that you've produced over the years?
We've done so many projects. You know, we're involved in probably in excess of 2,500 projects per year here at High Output, so it's a staggering number. Some of the more interesting projects that we've worked on over the years have included the presidential visits in New Hampshire and Massachusetts. We have been involved in almost every White House job up in New England over the past 10 years, which certainly is a high profile and very important piece of business. However, that's just a small part of what we do here at High Output. Our clients range from corporate producers, commercial producers, feature films. We were just involved with the Cameron Diaz, Tom Cruise project, Night and Day, here in Boston, which certainly was taxing in terms of its requirements.
Can you tell me something about how your company goes green?
You know, here at High Output, we're trying to do our best to reduce the amount of energy used in not only our facility and our operations, but in the equipment that we provide to our production clients. Clients today require a high quality, high production value on set, yet they don't often have a lot of power to work with. Some of the new technologies that are out there, such as LED sources and compact fluorescent sources, have really revolutionized the way producers can go out in the field and get work done. Interestingly, here in the studio, where we really have access to as much power and as much lighting as we might want to use, we find that producers are also interested in sticking with lights that use less energy. It seems that everyone is very conscious of this issue now, and we're doing our best to bring those products to market for our clients.
Great. Great. And I know we talked earlier as well about video production on location. And clients now are looking to do more and more videos because of the explosion of online video. And it's a lot easier to set up shoots now in companies and corporations and buildings and other locations because of this, because of the LED lighting. Is that right?
Our clients really gravitate towards using more energy efficient lights on location. It's easier to go into a client's office and plug in 1 or 2 very low wattage LED or fluorescent lights, such as the KinoFlow product or the light panel or Xylight LED products. This provides a high quality type of light, yet it doesn't use very much power.
What might be of interest to our viewers is not only the energy consumption side of LED lights, but how much better the shots are. Because with all of the buzz about online video, it's our opinion, and you probably share this opinion, that lighting is even more important now, to have the right kind of lighting versus just an onboard light on a camera to get a shot. And what do you think that is? I mean, can you tell me a little bit about your view on that?
Lighting is a critically important element in production. Just because something is being done quickly or on a low budget, or just because it's only going to be seen on the web, doesn't mean that you should sacrifice lighting quality. Sometimes with reduced bandwidth or smaller pictures, you really need to be able to see people's eyes. You really need to be able to have some depth in the background, or else the picture becomes incredibly flat and, if I can dare say so, sometimes even a little bit boring. Our interest with our clients is educating them about the different types of lighting equipment that's available to them that still can be used in an energy efficient and quick to deploy manner, and yet give them high quality images.
And avoid the deer in the headlights look that is so prevalent.
Well, I think we've all moved away from the one light on top of the camera look, which, as you say, creates just a deer in the headlights sort of startled look in your talent.
So as you know, one of our goals in the College of Marketing Knowledge is to give our viewers new insight into some of the hottest new media and marketing trends and to show them something new. How do you think that you can help facilitate that with the production of our viewers' projects, videos, and events?
Here at High Output, we're always open to having people come in and play with, explore the different tools that are available. Not everyone has immediate access to the latest and newest products, the LED, the fluorescent, the small HMI products that are out there. And we invite any filmmaker or videographer to come in at any point, talk to us about their needs, and play with the different toys. We don't charge for this. We provide it as a service, and we feel that the more educated our clients are, the happier they'll be, and ultimately the happier we'll be.